Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple way how you can turn off game mode in Windows 11. Now if this video will be helpful guys, definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you for other people to know. So when they would come to this video, you want to go to the bottom next to the search is going to be a start button. Right click on the start button, and under task manager you're gonna see settings. Click on the settings. Under time and language, you're gonna see gaming, and then you're gonna see game mode under captures and turn it off. So this is how we do it. Pretty straightforward tutorial. Write down below in the comments if it helped you, and this is how you can simply turn off the game mode in Windows 11. Thank you and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.